TSW2000W 4x4ft grow light, and 6 inches ventilation kit includes 6 inches inline duct fan with speed controller, carbon filter, 33 feet length flex ducting, humidity thermometer, timer, 6 pieces 5-gallon grow bags, duct clamps, adjust rope hangers. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Indoor Grow Tent Kit Plus Grow Light. Easy assembly, cost effective. 4x4ft Grow Tent Kit with 99% highly reflective mylar lining interior. TSW2000W LED grow lamp with reflective hood. Gathering 50% more light. Get 30% higher yield compared to old LED lights. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Any problems will be responded to in 8 hours. Number 2. Full Spectrum Grow Light. Consuming only 300 watts true output with 684 pieces LED, highest par, lumen output, 1122 UML at 1/8 inches, ideal for all growth stages. More high efficiency that saves 50% on energy bills than HPS grow systems. Perfect for 4x4ft veg footprint, 3x3 feet bloom footprint. Number 3. Durable Growing Tent. Constructed with high-quality 1680D canvas. All others brands 4x4ft hydroponic grow tent only 601D canvas. 13% denser zipper teeth helping zippers work smoother and more durable. 33% better safer support capacity metal frame. Thickness is 0.8 mm. Others only 0.6, supports up to 154 pounds 70 kilograms. Number 4. Noise-free and effective ventilation. Airflow, 400 CFM, noise, 28 dBA, 6 inches inline fan support 3 speed settings. Filter with built-in Australian virgin charcoal granules absorbs exponentially more contaminants and allergens than traditional carbon. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How many plants can you grow here? Answer. You can grow 6 to 8 plants of veg stage and 3 to 4 plants of flower stage. Question number 2. Are the tent dimensions interior or exterior? Will it fit with an 81 to 82 inches ceiling in the room? Answer. They are exterior dimensions. The height of the tent in this kit is 200 centimeters. It can fit with the 81 to 82 inches height ceiling in the room. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.